Okay, so to clarify the OSHA policy and MedCom and what it is and what exactly we expect for you guys to do. So first on this Word document, I've pulled up the most current version of the McNeese State University College of Nursing and Health Professions, Department of Undergraduate Nursing, OSHA Clinical Requirement Policy. Okay, so the purpose is, of course, for you guys to complete these MedCom videos related to specific OSHA topics, and we have to have this done before you guys have patient care. Okay, so attachment A, and this file is included. I'll make sure that this is posted below the big blue button for your convenience, okay? However, it's not going to be posted as a Word document. I'll post it as a PDF. So if you come here and you type in http://www.medcomrn.com/McNeese and hit enter, what's going to happen is it's going to bring you over here to this web page. Now there's a formula for you to figure out what your username and password is. So for example, if you are Fred Flintstone and your MSU email address is msu-fflintstone1@student.mcneese.edu, I think the student part's been dropped now, then your username would be over here, msu-fflintstone1, and the password is going to be the same thing, msu-fflintstone1. And then I'm going to log in. I don't want to save that password. Oh, my husband wants me to check the water in the pool. Got it. Okay. So, in order to know which videos, see, it's going to say type the course number in the search box. I'll show you how to do that. So attachment B is the list of videos that we want for you guys to show that you have completed. So you can come here, you can copy and paste it. Let's just do that. I'm going to do copy, and then what do the instructions tell me to do to paste it? I want to follow the instructions to a T. Type in the course number in the course search box right here. So edit, paste. Oh, it really did copy everything, did it not? And enter. Okay, I had a space, I had to get rid of the space. So I'm going to click on here. I'm going to go through it, complete it, and then move on to the next thing. When I have finished, I'm going to come here to completed courses. Once I've completed all of the videos in this checklist, okay, I'll come here to completed courses. We're going to want you guys to take a screenshot showing all of the videos in one single screenshot, and that is what you're going to upload to eValue, is the screenshot that shows all of these videos. All right, once that's uploaded to eValue, it's complete. We've given you guys a month. Our first day in clinical, I believe, is going to be December the 7th. So if we have to extend it by a couple of days, we can extend it by a couple of days. The sky won't fall. If you do just a couple of videos every day, it shouldn't be too taxing on you guys. But that's pretty much it. And I'll also include the link. I will not only post this policy for you guys, and these are policies that you guys get at new student orientation. We understand, we had to cut it from our normal full day to just a little 3 hours. So things got crammed in there pretty quickly, okay? So we understand that's the purpose of this video. So below the big blue button, or I'm sorry, not big blue button, I'm making a screencast-o-matic. Below the screencast-o-matic video, you will have a file with this clinical requirement policy and a web link to this address, so that all you have to do is click on the link and it should take you straight to here that should get you guys pretty much taken care of. If you do have any questions about this, if maybe something wasn't clear, I will add a discussion board below it so that everyone can get the benefit of all of the questions, because if it's a question you have, probably it's a question that someone else has as well. And then that way everyone's getting the benefit of the question and answering. Thanks so much.